Hello, class. Dr. Rosie here. Just checking in with you. I attempted to send a audio file, but apparently that didn't work. Apparently the system seems to be down a bit, but I just thought I'd share myself with you and Angie, who is just about crazy because I'm home all this time. She's wants to say hello. Say hello, Angie. Hi. So, I just wanted to check in with you, let you know that I am currently setting up our classroom. It'll be done shortly. Probably by tomorrow. I'll also be sending you a video that will show you how to navigate the entire classroom, and it'll be really easy. Don't panic, and if you have any questions or concerns, you know I'll be readily available because I have decided that I am not going to leave my house. I am in isolation, me and Angie. So the both of us say goodbye. Oh, Angie, say goodbye. Bye, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye for now.